Today I am going to discuss extraction of phenol from middle oil. In this lesson we are going to learn what is middle oil, then extraction reactions. So let's begin. The very first point is middle oil. Let's see what is middle oil. Coal tar. It came from coal. Coal is defined as a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock which consists of mainly carbon and other elements are hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. When coal is treated to produce coke and coal gas by destructive distillation, that is heating in absence of air. So at the time of production of coke and coal gas from coal tar is formed. Coal tar is a thick and black liquid which is produced as byproduct at the time of preparation of coke and coal gas from coal. Coal gas is a mixture of gases of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. Coal gas is used as a fuel. With coke and coal gas, coal tar is formed as byproduct. From this coal tar, middle oil is obtained in this way. When coal tar is distilled at 170 degrees Celsius temperature, then a fraction of liquid is obtained as distillate, which is known as light oil. Light oil contains benzene, toluene and xylene mainly. Light oil is present in coal tar. This is around 2.25%. So light oil is obtained as a distillate at 170 degrees Celsius temperature from coal tar. Again, when coal tar is distilled at 230 to 270 degrees centigrade temperature, then a heavy oil is obtained. A heavy oil, it is present in coal tar. This is around 16.5%. Heavy oil contains basically naphthalene and naphthol. Naphthol is hydroxyl group substituted naphthalene. So heavy oil is obtained as distillate from coal tar at the temperature at 230 to 270 degree Celsius temperature. But when coal tar is distilled at 170 degree to 230 degree centigrade temperature, then middle oil is obtained. This is middle oil, a distillate which is obtained from coal tar at the 270 degree to 230 degrees Celsius temperature. Middle oil it is present in coal tar is around 7.5%. Middle oil basically contains phenol, cresol, and naphthalene. So this is middle oil, which is a kind of distillate that is obtained from coal tar at 170 degree to 230 degree Celsius temperature. From coal tar, light oil is obtained as distillate at 170 degree Celsius temperature. Middle oil is obtained at 170 degree to 230 degree Celsius temperature, which is called middle oil, and heavy oil is obtained as distillate from coal tar at 230 to 270 degree Celsius temperature. So definition of middle oil is a fraction of coal tar which is obtained after distillation at 170 degree to 230 degree Celsius temperature. Middle oil contains phenol, cresol, and naphthalene. Here the point is separation of phenol from other compounds. This is to be discussed here. Now let's see separation of phenol from middle oil. Now the point is separation of phenol from middle oil. Middle oil that contains phenol, cresol, and naphthalene. Let's see extraction process step by step. Step 1. In a vessel, middle oil is taken that contains naphthalene, cresol, and phenol. Now this mixture is cooled and centrifuged. Centrifuge, a kind of device that is used to separate components of a fluid using centrifugal force. When this mixture is centrifuged after cooling, then this naphthalene crystallizes as PPT, precipitate. That is, naphthalene separates as precipitate when it is cooled and centrifuged. Then, through filtration, the mixture of cresol and phenol is taken to another vessel. Now, step 2 starts. Here, cresol and phenol present. In this mixture, aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is added, which is 10%. Phenol and cresol present here. This aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide reacts with phenol to form sodium phenoxide, and water is formed as byproduct. Here, two layers are seen. The lower layer is a heavy oily layer, and upper layer is aqueous solution of sodium phenoxide. Now, the upper layer, aqueous layer of sodium phenoxide is decanted, separated to another vessel. Aqueous layer of sodium phenoxide here. When it is taken to another beaker, then step 3 is started. With this, diluted sulfuric acid is added, or carbon dioxide gas is passed through the solution. When diluted sulfuric acid is added, then diluted sulfuric acid reacts with sodium phenoxide to form phenol and sodium sulfate as byproduct. But when carbon dioxide gas is passed through this solution, then carbon dioxide reacts with sodium phenoxide to form phenol, and sodium carbonate is formed as byproduct. Here as well, two layers obtained. Lower layer is aqueous solution of salt, sodium sulfate or sodium carbonate, but upper layer is layer of phenol. Lower layer is layer of salts. From the upper layer, phenol is separated, and now step 4 starts. Layer of phenol. This is washed with water properly first, and after that this is distilled at 182 degrees Celsius temperature. Then phenol is obtained as distillate. In this way, phenol is separated from middle oil that contains phenol. Now, this is separated through some reactions. This is the way by which phenol is separated from middle oil. This is all about separation of phenol from middle oil. Number today, thank you very much.